Well, hello, pharmacy badasses. Dr. Lisa Faast here, and I've got a different type of content for you today. So last night, I got a message from my friend Devin Buston, and I've actually done some webinars and some videos with him years ago, and he is with OvaryIt. And OvaryIt is doing some really innovative programs and studies that combine pharmacists with women's health care, and in particularly with contraception. And so he just let me know that they are launching their newest clinical study. It's a NIH-funded clinical trial that involves pharmacists prescribing contraceptives. And they're looking for participants. And so they need pharmacists and pharmacies to sign up. And then, of course, those patients get enrolled. And they've done micro versions of these types of studies before that show pharmacists provide fantastic, great care, even when it comes to contraception. We all know that expanded care and access for women is important for their health. And so who's more accessible than pharmacists, right? So we all know we're valuable, but we're just proving it to the rest of the world. So I'm going to read off the list of states that they're in particularly looking for some participants. It doesn't mean that if you're not in these states that you can't participate, but they specifically want participants from these states. So those states are California, Illinois, Minnesota, South Carolina, and Utah. And the way that it works is you'll get paid for a consult, right? Like, awesome. $50 up to 25 consults. You'll have to fill out some forms and some feedback on like how providing the consult was and the experience and whatnot. The patient will also fill out their forms. They'll get compensated as well, $50 for their part. And all this data feeds into their trial. And this is a expanded version of some previous ones they've done. So like I said, we first talked with Devin years ago when they had kind of like the initial micro version of this. And it's so exciting to see that they're showing positive outcome, positive outcome, positive outcome. I mean, we're not surprised, but I think it's just nice to show the rest of the world that pharmacists obviously take fantastic care of their patients. So if you are so inclined to want to be a part of a clinical trial in some way, shape, or form, maybe you have a pharmacist that would be interested, I think this is going to be perfect. If you have questions, don't call me, right? This isn't my trial. This is Devin's and OvaryIt's trial. So reach out to them. We will post all of the information below. So all the links to book a call with the OvaryIt team, everything that you need, and you can go find out and see if this is a good fit for you. So I like these kinds of things. I think they're just awesome opportunities. And if I were still seeing patients, this is definitely something I would do. I think contraception for lots of reasons is important for women. And a lot of you are looking to get more into clinical. So this might be a really great way to kind of start that. Oh, one of the other benefits that you get is access to their EHR system, which is called PRISM, and you get access for a whole year. So those of you that are maybe wanting to build up your clinical consults, it might be a great reason to do this. So, all right, that is it. I'm excited to hear the results from this trial, your experience with it, and go over to OvaryIt and talk to their wonderful team. And I look forward to hearing about it. So talk to you guys later. Bye-bye.